The assembly of the 125 HCL and 710 HCL luffing jib cranes at the Sagrada Familia Basilica in Barcelona marks a significant milestone in both engineering and cultural heritage. Designed by Antonio Gaudí, the Sagrada Familia is not just a building, but a symbol of Barcelona and Spanish architecture. The deployment of these cranes represents a first for Liebherr's luffing jib cranes in Spain, making it a noteworthy event for both the company and the construction industry in the region. The cranes were meticulously assembled starting from a height of 54 meters, eventually reaching a towering 130 meters, where they were securely anchored. This assembly process demanded precise planning, taking into account stringent safety requirements and unpredictable weather conditions typical of such heights. The success of this operation was ensured by the coordinated efforts of Liebherr's project department, Tower Crane Solutions, Liebherr Iberica SL, and their partner Gruas Cerezo. SL, their collaboration exemplifies effective teamwork and technical expertise necessary for such complex projects. Being entrusted with the task of contributing to the completion of the Sagrada Familia is not just a professional achievement, but also a testament to Liebherr's commitment to supporting iconic projects worldwide. As these cranes begin their work on this historic site, they not only facilitate construction, but also become a part of the ongoing legacy of architectural innovation and cultural preservation embodied by the Sagrada Familia. The LR12500-1.0 from Liebherr represents a cutting-edge solution in the realm of heavy lifting, particularly in the context of offshore wind energy. Its inaugural job in the port of Rostock underscored its capabilities in handling the colossal components crucial for offshore wind farms. Designed specifically for the demands of modern offshore wind turbine construction, the LR12500-1.0 boasts impressive specifications. Equipped with a 7.5-meter-wide high-performance boom, this crawler crane exemplifies Liebherr's commitment to innovation and efficiency in heavy lifting technology. Its first task involved lifting nearly 90-meter-long foundation piles, known as monopiles, weighing a staggering 1,360 tons each. Such feats are essential for the installation of offshore wind turbines, where these monopiles serve as stable anchors for the towering structures that harness wind energy at sea. The LR12500-1.0 FETE's successful debut was made possible with the support of another Liebherr crawler crane, the LR1800-1.0, highlighting Liebherr's integrated approach to heavy lifting operations. This collaborative effort ensured not only the successful handling of massive components, but also demonstrated Liebherr's ability to orchestrate complex lifting tasks in challenging environments like ports and offshore locations. Beyond its sheer lifting capacity, the LR12500-1.0 is distinguished by its advanced engineering and safety features, essential for handling such immense loads with precision and reliability. Its design incorporates state-of-the-art technology to optimize performance while adhering to stringent safety standards, crucial in industries where operational excellence and safety are paramount. Liebherr's LR12500-1.0 stands at the forefront of facilitating the global energy transition by supporting the installation of offshore wind farms. Its ability to lift and maneuver heavy monopiles efficiently contributes directly to the expansion of renewable energy sources, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. In conclusion, the LR12500-1.0 FE test debut marks not only a milestone for Liebherr in heavy lifting capabilities, but also reinforces its pivotal role in advancing sustainable energy solutions worldwide. As offshore wind farms continue to grow in scale and importance, the LR12500-1.0 stands ready to meet the challenges of lifting the future of renewable energy. The customer days at the Liebherr plant in Ehingen stand as a pinnacle event in the realm of mobile and crawler cranes, renowned globally for their innovation and industry impact. From June 11th to 13, 2024, the seventh iteration of these highly anticipated customer days attracted 3,000 guests from across the globe to Ehingen. This event was a prime opportunity for industry professionals, enthusiasts, and customers to gather and witness firsthand the latest advancements from Liebherr, a stalwart in crane technology. A highlight of the event was the debut unveiling of the LTM 1400-6.1, a revolutionary six-axle crane designed to set new benchmarks in performance and versatility. The Innovation Park served as the vibrant hub of the event, where attendees engaged with cutting-edge technologies showcased through live demonstrations and personalized presentations. This immersive experience allowed guests to interact directly with Liebherr's innovations, gaining insights into how these technologies could enhance their operations and productivity. Beyond the product showcases, the customer days fostered a collaborative environment where industry leaders, customers, and Liebherr experts exchanged knowledge and insights. Discussions ranged from technical specifications to practical applications, illustrating Liebherr's commitment not only to technological advancement, but also to meeting the evolving needs of their global clientele. These customer days are more than a showcase of machinery. They signify Liebherr's dedication to driving innovation forward while maintaining a customer-centric approach. By providing a platform for dialogue and hands-on experience, Liebherr strengthens its position as a leader in crane technology and sets the stage for future developments in the industry. As the event continues to evolve with each edition, the customer days at Liebherr in Ehingen remain a hallmark of excellence and innovation, shaping the future of mobile and crawler cranes worldwide. Wheel loaders represent a cutting-edge evolution in construction equipment, embodying a holistic approach to efficiency, power, durability, and operator comfort. At the heart of their design is the innovative power split travel drive system, which seamlessly integrates hydrostatic and mechanical drives to optimize performance in diverse operational conditions. The control system of Liebherr X-Power wheel loaders is engineered for precision and ease of use. Power split travel drive. This advanced system combines a hydrostatic drive for precise control during short loading cycles with a mechanical drive that excels in long-distance travel and uphill operations. This dual-drive configuration ensures optimal fuel efficiency and operational flexibility. Startup and operation. Operators benefit from intuitive controls and ergonomic design elements in the cab. A video guide assists with safe and efficient machine startup, emphasizing initial checks and procedures to maximize equipment performance. Liebherr X-Bauer wheel loaders are available in various models, tailored to meet specific application needs. Engine options. Equipped with efficient diesel engines meeting stringent emissions standards, ensuring environmental compliance without compromising power output. Bucket capacities. Offered in a range of sizes to accommodate diverse material types and operational requirements, enhancing versatility on the job site. Comfort and safety. Designed with operator comfort in mind, featuring a spacious cab, ergonomic controls, climate control options, and excellent visibility. Safety features are integrated to protect operators during operation.